Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a blog aggregation site with WordPress. This is also called syndicating content with RSS. You'll need a self-hosted WordPress site and the Feed WordPress plugin installed. Obviously you can do this also with other content management systems like Joomla or Drupal and with other plugins, but this is what I roll with. So my WordPress site is actually a multi-site, so I need to create a new site, which is actually very quickly done as you see here. Just type in the name for my new address, give it a title, provide my email address, and a new site is born. Go to the dashboard. This should look like similar to your WordPress site, and the plugin is already installed. Now I would like to give it a new nice theme. I do have some themes pre-installed, and I'm gonna use this Surface theme, which I have in a pro version, but the other one should work just as good, the free version. And once I have this active now, I want to add some blogs to the site. And you can do this in two ways. The first way is adding it one by one, and I can do this here on the dashboard immediately, to adding a single URL to one of the blogs. But if I go to the syndication plugin, the Feed WordPress plugin, there is another way to add multiple URLs at a time. So if you have a form on your homepage to collect several blogs, you can do this, or I just have a list. So I copied and paste here a lot of lists of blogs I want to syndicate and include. I do this, now I edit them, and now the plugin checks if it can find the feeds, and now I subscribe to those 5 feeds from the blogs, which is running smoothly, and that's already it. Now I want to customize the theme a bit to make it look nice. One thing I forgot here is there's no content yet. I need to go back and tell the Feed WordPress to get all the content from the blogs we just added. Now I check all and say update the checked ones, and you want to change the settings in the Feed WordPress plugins to do this automatically in the future. But as you see now, there were update is completed, and more than 10 new posts were syndicated. And we go now back to the theme and customize it to make this nice looking page. We need to make some changes because we want to get this grid or masonry style, and right now we don't have it, so we need to make some changes. I first start with getting rid of the top header in the menu. It says now your location, your phone number, and your email address, so you want to get rid of this. It's unnecessary. It is gone now, and now we're gonna change the width of the entire page. It has a space for menu on the right hand side. Now we change this. make the page to the full width that it's now, and now it's time to make this masonry or grid type of setup, and it's done. Now we see all the posts from all the blogs. On this page I have 10, or the standard is to have 10 posts visible per page, but you can change this easily with a few clicks to how many posts you want to have. Here's the first 10, and check down some older posts because we have now more blogs on it. And this is it. This is all it took, 5 minutes, and we have now a nice aggregation hub for all the connected blogs of your course.